Hello, I'm Samuel Griffin. I'm one of the 4 regional sales managers for Logic, and I'm going to talk you through a quick overview of our basic 60 litre ATV mounted sprayer with a couple of options on here. As with all our sprayer tanks, good quality rotational moulded tanks made here in the UK. It gives you a very strong quality tank. UV protection, will last a long time. Common with all the Logic sprayers, we've got our sealed and vented tank. Very important to have a vent, stops any pressure build-up in there, and also filtration sock in the basket, which allows any crud, rubbish, microbiology that's coming out of freshwater sources for filling to be caught before it enters into the sprayer. With this basic sprayer, it sucks from tank, finds its own pressure down the line via this little T-piece in the system, the bleed off valve, and once it's found its own pressure, whether you're using just the hand lance or a boom on here, it will then, a small disc in there will allow the excess pressure back to tank. So it does 2 features in there. It will act as a bleed off valve so you don't get airlocks, and it also releases any excess pressure that's not required down the spray line. On the suction side, very simple filter system, so it sucks from tank through the filter, finds its pressure in the head unit on the tank, and then releases pressure once it's built up down the lines. So the options we've got on the back of this tank is the boom mounting bracket, the OBS601, the OBS112PH, which has got 15 meters of hose. It's on the reel, so you can wind it up quite quickly and easily with the brass hand lance and wand. And we've got the 1.5 meter 3 nozzle plus hedgerow jet boom. Very simple to adjust up and down on the height, and we've also got the OBS116 Y piece in here, so it allows us to go from the hand lance to the boom without unplugging any of these quick connectors with pressure in the line, which will cause chemical to spray out over you. So it's a nice, safe, really simple system to use. Tanks held down onto the back of this ATV with the tank mounting straps. These fit into the recesses that are moulded into the rotational moulded tank, which again, what I said earlier, it's a very strong tank, so you can put some reasonable pressure on there and it holds this in place well. On the far end of the tank here, we've got the tank bung in there, so if you need to drain off, wash through, winterize the product, you can actually empty the tank completely dry in the winter months then. 12-volt pump simply plugs into one of our AE500 wiring harnesses, which is another option. So we can build up a package to suit the exact customer requirements, whether it's with the basic pump setup or a more elaborate setup with full pressure control system. So if you need any further help or information about any of our sprayer range, specifications, boom whips, specialist applications, please do not hesitate to contact us here at Logic and speak to myself or any of my colleagues who'll be happy to help you.